So if you're in a home built in the 1930s, around that time, you have one of these cylindrical things that is responsible for the draining, and it's not draining too well, this is how you address that. First, unscrew this handle. It's loosey. And have this sort of slotted setup on in case you want to reset that. The cap you can unscrew. Mine was already cracked because clearly this is not the first time I've seen this had a problem. Then you get this disgusting plunger that's probably lived a quiet, undisturbed life in there. Oh, and that's great. It hits the top of the sink, so I can't even get the plunger all the way out. Come back to the stem. Stem unscrews. Now the plunger comes out. It looks like that. Quite grimy. Quite grimy. Okay, so now we're at the part where I got my boroscope out. I put my boroscope in. And, excuse the camera work, if we're going with a boroscope, thanks. See how you have that pipe coming out the side? Right into there. There's all the way fluid is soap because my washing machine is going right now. So everything drains down lower into that hole. If we come up a little bit, that hole coming out the side is where the bathtub pours in. I don't see any obstructions. It's a little gunky. The plunger, I take it when it came in, it would close this hole, restricting flow from the bathtub. Right now, just not having it in is making the bathtub already drain better. So I'm going to stick with that. Worst case, if that doesn't work, I'm going to maybe try to just take off the whole cylinder, this whole thing, and try plunging that hole to help break up if there's anything down there, or drain cleaners. We'll see. That's my thought process. Hopefully this helps any. When I looked online, I couldn't find anything for these old plunger release levers. I struggle a little bit to call that a repair. Really, that was more of an exploration run. We took apart the cylinder, we saw what was inside, that plunger, and just for the while, plunger's gone. This will only affect the bathtub, so if your sink is also having any kind of clogging, that's an independent issue. Again, this is an older home from the 1930s. On this one, I find you could just take out your little sink stopper and just clean out this area. Ours was filled with hair. So that was leading to the sink clogging, totally separate issue, unrelated. And for the bathtub, hopefully that peek inside the cylinder give you some understanding of maybe what's hindering your bathtub if it's not draining properly.